Hello everyone, welcome to Helper Tools. In this video, I am showing you how can you download and install Helper Tools. So for downloading these tools, you have to go this GitHub page and then you have to go download the zip option. After downloading, you can see there is something like called Helper Tools and how to install txt. You can open and you can also follow this text file for installing. After downloading, you have to copy this helper tool folder and you have to go your C drive and your user, and then you have to go .NUKE folder. I already have this, but if you don't have, you have to just paste this. After that, you have to go your init.py, then you have to write this line of code that nuke.plugin add path, then you have to specify the folder name. In this case, our folder name is helper_tools. That's why I specified helper_tools. And secondly, you have to go this helper tools folder, and under this helper tools folder, you can see there is another Python file called menu.py. You have to open this menu.py file, any kind of text editor or any kind of editor. Then only you need to do in here, if you have a Windows, then you have to change your directory, because in here you can see my directory name is Shuvo, user Shuvo, then .NUKE, but in your case it will be your PC name. And if you have Mac, then you have to paste the path in here. If you have Linux, then you have to Linux here. You don't have to worry about anything. You just need to only replace your path in here. You will see your helper tools